Hello everyone, we are going to solve for the value of x from this equation, and the given equation is what? 4 raised to the power of 16 to the power of x, which is equal to 16 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of x. Then we are asked to solve for the value of x that satisfy this equation. The first thing we need to do is to make all the base to be in base 4, in index form to the base of 4. So if you look at the left hand side, 4 is in base 4 already, so we'll write 4 then raised to the power of 16 to the power of x, so we can check this 16 to be in base 4. 16 in base 4 is the same as what? 4 raised to the power of 2, because when you multiply 4 in two places, it's going to give us 16, and everything raised to the power of x, which is equal to 16 in index form to the base of 4 is the same as what? 4 raised to the power of 2. So the whole of this represents 16, and everything raised to the power of 4 to the power of x. Now the next thing we're going to do is to recall power property of exponent. When we have a raised to the power of x all raised to the power of y, this can be simplified as what? A then x multiplied by y. We can multiply x and y together, so which means that these 2 and this x, we can multiply them together, and also we multiply this together. So we're going to have what? 4 raised to the power of 4, then 2 multiplied by x is going to give us 2x, which is equal to, here we have 4, and here we have 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of 6. Remember, this 4 is raised to the power of x, but this 2 is just a whole number, so we cannot just multiply them together because their basis is not the same. So we just will write as what? 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. Now what do you notice? We have the same basis, 4 and 4. So we can cancel out the basis according to one of the property of exponents. Then we equate the two power. So the first power is 4 raised to the power of 2x, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x, which is the second power. Now the next thing we're going to do is to write everything in base 2. 4 in base 2 is the same as what? 2 raised to the power of 2, then everything raised to the power of 2x, which is equal to 2, then multiplied by 4 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2, then all raised to the power of x. Now applying this property again, we can multiply the power. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2x is going to give us 4x, which is equal to, this 2 can also be written as well, 2 to the power of 1, then multiply by 2, then 2 multiplied by x is going to give us x. Now the next step is to recall multiplication property of exponent. When we have a raised to the power of x multiplied by a raised to the power of y, this is the same as a, then we add the two power, x plus y. So applying this property to this place, we can write one of the base, which is 2, then we add the two power. The first power is 1 plus the second power, which is 2x, and in the left hand side we just keep it as what? 2 raised to the power of 4x. Now what do you notice again? The bases are the same. So if the bases are the same, the power is also the same, so we cannot cancel out the base and equate the power. The first power is 4x, which is equal to, the second power is 1 plus 2x. Now we combine the like term. We have 2x here, this is 4x here, so we are going to have 4x. When these two cross to the other side, become negative 2x, which is equal to 1. 4x minus 2x is going to give us 2x, which is equal to 1. Then we divide both sides by what? By 2, which is the coefficient of x. So we have 2 here and also 2. This is going to cancel this. X now be equal to 1 over 2. So therefore 1 over 2, or 0.5, is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this. Thanks.